Friends, three more important questions on adjoint and inverse of matrices are taken in consideration. First one is of 2 marks and the second two are of 6 marks each. Watch and write the answers in your copy. If you are new here, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the future updates. Our first problem is, if A is a square matrix of order 3 such that adjoint of A is equal to 64, then find determinant A. This is taken from CBSE 2013. We know that for a square matrix of order n, determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to the power n minus 1. Here the order of A is 3 by 3 because it is given that the order of the matrix is 3. So the order of the matrix is in this form 3 by 3. Okay. So n is equal to 3 here. So now friends, we have determinant of adjoint of A is equal to determinant of A raised to the power n minus 1. N is equal to 3. So this is 3 minus 1. That means determinant of A square. What is given? Given that determinant of adjoint of A is equal to 64. This is given. And what is 64? It is actually 8 square. Now it implies that determinant of adjoint A, that is determinant of A square. So determinant of A square is equal to 8 square. So we can write determinant of A is equal to plus minus 8. Hence the result. This is for only 2 marks. Is determine the product of this matrix and that matrix and then use to solve the system of equations x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9 and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. First of all, we consider this matrix as A and this matrix as B. Okay, B is the first matrix and A is the second matrix. So now friends, what is B into A? That is the product of two matrices. This matrix of 3 by 3 matrix and this is also 3 by 3 matrix. After multiplication, we will get a matrix whose order will be 3 by 3. So friends, this is first of all B matrix minus 4, 4 and 4. Next minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1 into the matrix A, 1, minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. So minus 4 into 1, that is minus 4, plus 4 into 1, that is plus 4, 4 into 2, that is 8. In this way, the second element will be 4 minus 8 plus 4. Next element minus 4 minus 8 plus 12. Next element minus 7 into 1, that is minus 7. 1 into 1, that is 1. 3 into 2, that is equal to 6. In this way, the other elements 7 minus 2 plus 3, minus 7 minus 2 plus 9, 5 minus 3 minus 2, minus 5 plus 6 minus 1, and finally the last element, that is in the position of 3 by 3, that is 5 into 1, 5 minus 3 into minus 2, that is plus 6, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. Okay. So we are getting now, after addition all of them, we'll get it is 8, 0, 0, next 0, 8, 0, 0, 0, 8. That means 8 times 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is 8i, 8 times of an unit matrix. So friends, this is B into A is equal to 8i. It implies that B into A is equal to 8i. Or we can write BA, if we multiply both sides by A inverse, then it will be 8i into A inverse. Implies that B into A inverse is equal to 8 into I A inverse, isn't it? So here it is only B on the left side, and on the right side this is 8 into A inverse, because I into A inverse is equal to A inverse. That means from here A inverse is equal to 1/8 B. And what is B? B is the first matrix. This one we shall replace this B by the first matrix. That means 1/8 minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1. So friends, A inverse is equal to this. Now what can we write? Actually, we can write now x is equal to 1/8 minus 4, 4, 4, minus 7, 1, 3, 5, minus 3, minus 1 into B matrix. B matrix is here 4, 9, 1, isn't it? Because you see that in the given system of equation we have one matrix 1 minus 1, 1, that is the coefficient of x, y, z, 1 minus 1, 1. Next is 1 minus 2 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 2, and the second one is 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, this is one matrix which is treated as say A, and the second matrix is here B, which is 4, 9, 1, 4, 9, 1. Okay, and other matrix X is equal to only X, Y, Z, the variables X, Y, Z. So these formation, the system of equations can be written Ax is equal to B, isn't it? Ax is equal to B, where x is equal to A inverse into B. X is equal to A inverse B. So x is equal to A inverse into B. In the last stage, x is equal to A inverse. A inverse is this one, just got it, into B. B is equal to 4. B is equal to 4, 9, 1. 4, 9, 1 here. Okay. So multiply. And x is equal to x, y, z. Capital X is equal to x, y, z. So replace it. X, y, z is equal to 1/8. We multiply this matrix by this one. This is of 3 by 3 matrix, and this is 3 by 1 matrix. After multiplication we shall get 3 by 1 matrix again. So this is minus 16, 4 into 4, minus 4 into 4, minus 16, 4 into 9, plus 36, 4 into 1, plus 4. In this way, minus 28, plus 9, plus 3, and 20, minus 27, minus 1. So here we are getting x, y, z is equal to 1/8 minus 16 plus 36 plus 4, that is 24, minus 28 plus 9 plus 3, that is minus 16, and 20 minus 27 minus 1, that is minus 8. So getting here 1/8 of 24, that is 3, 1/8 of minus 16 minus 2, 1/8 of minus 8, that is minus 1. So x, y, matrix x, y, z is equal to matrix 3 minus 2 minus 1. So compare. After comparing, we get x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to minus 1. Hence the result. Very important. This is a question sum problem. A total amount of rupees 7,000 is deposited in 3 different savings bank account with annual interest rates 5%, we write it here 5%, 8% and 8.5%, that is 17/2% respectively. Okay. The total annual interest from these 3 accounts is rupees 550. Equal amounts have been deposited in the 5% and 8% savings accounts. Find the amount deposited in each of the 3 accounts with the help of matrices. Okay. This is very important question. So let us consider that rupees x, rupees y and rupees z, okay, be invested in savings accounts at the rate of 5%, at the rate of 8% and at the rate of 17/2% respectively. So friends, these are the amounts invested, and the total amount was invested, deposited in the 3 savings banks is rupees 7,000. That means we can write x plus y plus z is equal to 7,000. This is equation number 1, isn't it? Second part is very simple. 5% and 8% and 8.5% respectively are the annual interests, and the total interest was got rupees 550. That means 5% means 5x by 100, 5% of x, and next is 8% of y, that is 8y by 100, and 17/2%, that is 17z by 2, and their total is 550, isn't it? So here is simple calculation. It will be and this is 200 because we have to divide the total by 100. So 2 into 100, that is 200, and the after calculation we shall get 10x plus 16y plus 17z is equal to 550 into 100, that means 200, that is 110000. This is equation number 2, isn't it? Because the LCM in the denominator is 200, so after cross multiplication we shall multiply 550 by 200, so getting 110000. And another important part of this question is equal amounts have been deposited in the 5% and 8% savings accounts. That means in the 5% 8% section the amounts deposited are equal. That means x is equal to y. If x is equal to y, that means x minus y is equal to 0. So this is actually the third equation. So our 3 equations are respectively, first one is x plus y plus z is equal to 7,000. Second equation is 10x plus 16y plus 17z is equal to 1,10,000, and the third one is x minus y is equal to 0. Now this system of equations can be written in matrix form. We know it, Ax is equal to B. Now what is A, what is X, what is B? Here A is equal to the coefficient matrix, that is here 1, 1, 1, and the coefficients of X, Y, Z here 10, 16, 17, 10, 16, 17, and the coefficients here 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 0. This is matrix A. And matrix B is the constants, independent constants, 7,000, 1,10,000 and 0. So B is 7,000, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, and capital X is equal to the matrix containing the variables X, Y, Z. Okay. Now friends, we have to check the determinant of this matrix. Determinant of A is equal to determinant 1, 1, 1, 10, 16, 17, 1, minus 1, 0. So getting here 1 into 16 into 0, 0, minus 1 into 17, that is plus 17. In this way, minus 1 into 0, minus 17, plus 1 into minus 10, minus 16. So getting here 17 plus 17 minus 26 is equal to 8, is not is equal to 0. So det A is not is equal to 0. That means A is non-singular matrix and its inverse exists, because determinant A is not is equal to 0. Now we shall find the adjoint of A. Okay. So adjoint of A is equal to the cofactor determinants and its transpose. What is the cofactor 1? This is determinant of 16, 17 minus 1, 0. That is 16 into 0 minus 1 into 17. That is, this will be 17 only. And second position, this is negative sign, and the cofactor of 1 will be 10 into 0 minus 1 into 17. This is only 17. Okay. And in this way, the other elements minus 26, minus 1, minus 1, 2, 1, minus 7, 6, and the transpose. So ultimately we shall get 17 minus 1, 1, 17 minus 1, minus 7, and minus 26, 2 and 6. So the adjoint of this matrix A is this one. Okay. Now we have to find out the inverse of A. Now inverse of A is equal to, we know this formula, 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Okay. So friends, this is 1/8. Adjoint of A is found. Adjoint of A is this one. So we write the matrix 17 minus 1, 1, 17 minus 1, minus 7, minus 26, 2 and 6. So simple. Now solution of the given system is given by X is equal to A inverse B. We know this one because AX is equal to B. This is given. AX is equal to B. So from here X is equal to actually A inverse B. So friends, X is equal to A inverse B. Now what is X? X is here X, Y, Z, small x, small y, small z is equal to A inverse, just found this one. 1/8, 17 minus 1, 1, 17 minus 1, minus 7, minus 26, 2, 6 into B. The B matrix is here. Yes, B matrix is this one. Matrix 7,000, 1,10,000, 0. So put it here. into 7,000, 1,10,000 and 0. This is 3 by 3 matrix and this is 3 by 1 matrix. So after multiplication, the matrix order of the matrix will be 3 by 1. This is 1/8. 17 into 7,000, that is 119,000 minus 1 into 1,10,000. So it will be 11,000,000. 1 into 0, that is only 0. Similarly, the other elements, 119,000 minus 11,000,000 plus 0, and finally minus 18,200,000 plus 22,000,000 plus 0. So getting 1/8, we add all of them. So at getting 9,000, we add all of them, we get again 9,000. Finally add this one, getting 38,000, that is 1/8 of 9,000, that is 1125, and here again 1125, 1/8 of 38,000, that is 4,750, and this is actually equal to XYZ, matrix XYZ. So this is matrix XYZ. So comparing, we get X is equal to 1125, 1125, Y is equal to 1125 again, Z is equal to 4,750, 4,750. So friends, what we considered earlier, we considered that these XYZ are the amounts are invested in the savings accounts. So friends, X is equal to rupees 1,125, Y is equal to rupees 1,125, and finally Z is equal to rupees 4,750 respectively, are the amounts which are deposited in each type of the accounts. This question is of 6 marks, so this is quite lengthy, but this is very important for your exam purpose, and do follow this question and practice it at your home. It will be helpful. No question will be left, and each question is very, very important. Best of the luck for the examination.